So this is unfortunate results. Traffic light turn right. So you're approaching to traffic light junction. It is green, green, green. It might get amber anytime. It is getting amber now. Nobody there, just carry on going. Do not need to stop. Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping? Nobody there. No one there, sir. Now examiner asking you to move. Now examiner asks you to move. And because you delayed at least 3 to 4 seconds, maybe more, number one, you should not stop, sir. You stopped, you delayed, you did not even move. Pedestrian crossing got green as well. So you got to wait again. Number one, you should carry on going. Nobody was there. When you were stopped at the light, you were staring at the car, which car was not even on the road. And you know when you're crossing the line, the light got amber. There was nobody was at the line from opposite side. Nobody was there, so you should have carried on going. You should not stop in first place, because the time you was crossing the line, light got amber. Nobody was on opposite side. Carry on going. And this is we are entering on a test center. So outside of test center, you just giving your test away. What can I say? Literally, I don't have any words to say to you anything, sir. Why you was staring at the? Why you was looking at the opposite side with nobody there? Light got amber. Just get out of there. Just go. Why you even stopping? I have no idea.